This is how you download and install a font from Dafont onto our Macs in the lab. So the first thing to do is go ahead and find whatever font you're trying to download. So I'm going to grab these gears. I'm going to go ahead and click on download. What this will do is it'll show up in the bottom, or if you're using Safari, it'll show up in the downloads. What you're going to do is go ahead and open up that downloads folder. Switch over to that. So I'm going to go to Finder. And sometimes they'll be in a folder like this one is. What you're going to look for is the TTF, that's the true type format or true text format, instead of the PNG or the PDFs. So, or the OTF, which is open type font. I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. And then right here, this is showing all the glyphs that are available inside of that font, and I can click install. Now, what you're going to want to do is make sure you remember the name of it. This one's called Gears, so that when I come over here into Illustrator or any program that you're using, I can click once, come down and scroll down, or start to type in Gears. There we go. And remember, if you're going to do anything with this, you want to just go in and find the glyphs under type, so you can actually see which one you want to use. So if you decide, oh, I want to use this one, and you can double click and it puts it into that text box that you just made. You can create outlines, and now that is a completely editable vector graphic that can scale larger or smaller, that you can use to erase things or remove things, add color, add gradients, whatever you want. And that is a very fast way to have a vector drawing off of a dingbat directly from Dafont.